Hey guys, Matt here with StatiKStudios. It's been a busy, hot Monday. See? So hot that it's maxed out the display in the truck. Again, thanks to me leaving the windows rolled up. Yay! I'm a bright one. Shit. So anyways, I had a question for you guys today. What do you guys do to clear your mind? Do you go like shoot guns, play basketball, play Xbox, surf the internet? I like to drive. I like to drive a lot, and it's for me it's relaxing. It's nice, you know. I guess that's one of the reasons I chase. Yeah, it lets me clear my head, and yeah, it's nice. So, having said that, I wasn't going to do this, but after some stuff, I've decided that I'm going to go chase this week, I believe, and I'm going to take you guys with me. I've got a chance of some stuff in northeastern and eastern parts of Arizona, and I'm going to go after it. And it's not anything strong. I'm still watching the 4th and the 5th because that's looking like, yeah! But this one, I'm not going to gear up or anything. I'm just going to take some cameras and go. No radar, no computer, no nothing. Yeah, no technology, just the cameras. And hit the open road. So, it's much needed. Finally be able to be back out in the field. I'm looking forward to it. I'm not sure if it's going to really amount to anything, except like dry thunderstorms and such, but hey, weather is weather. Yeah, it's better than dust storms and heat. So, anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys do to relax and de-stress and, you know, clear your mind and stuff. Yeah, I know some people think driving's nuts, you know, to clear your mind and stuff, to relax, but seriously, as long as it's not in freeway traffic like rush hour, I really enjoy it. You know, end of July, I'm driving over to Los Angeles to attend VidCon. I decided to drive instead of fly, just because it'd be fun. You know, it'd be a lot of fun. I've driven to Oregon and back, so I really enjoy stuff like that. It's nice. So at least this time I won't have all the computer stuff with me, because that's always a hassle to keep going. Ugh. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's vlog. We'll have something more significant throughout the week as weather unfolds. So anyways, guys, thank you for the comments yesterday, today, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you all tomorrow.